Just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place so far, where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me, believe right now we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down,
What's up guys, welcome back. So today I get some Janga. The river just come down. Only rainfall this morning. So the river come down and I get some Janga. So I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I do something with them. I don't know. I'm going to do a whole heap of things. So I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet. So I'm just going to catch them until I think about what I'm going to do with them. If, you know, how I'm going to cook them or something. See the river here, all the rainfall. So the river come down. The wind out here strong. I don't know if you now can hear me clearly, but I start early still. So I'll show you what I want. So I'm going to stick and stay, watch what I want. Yeah man. Please watch the video until the end. And like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't already. So just go and stick and stay and watch what I want. Now, so we have a deep net right here, so. And I we are use. I catch them. So I catch some big one. Have them in this already. So I'm just a container. So see the water dirty. Yeah man, the water come down. Only rain call this morning. And thing. So this is how water stay. Right now. So I'm just going to watch what I go on. Look at yes! No, no, no! The bag on my pips! Yeah man, see that? Them are we are catch today. Bag on there. Yeah man, so I go on my pips, them are we are catching the idea. And this is a nice date. You know, like when I can catch yardy, but today, so we're not going to throw on a line in the sea today. So I'm going to let go this back. And this is one little mullet right here, so I'm going to let it go. There, I want. Wow, that is it. Wagwan. So yung kla lang. Got that. Hey man, I talk about all gone there. Watch it. Watch out, God. See that one, babes? Come on, we're going good so far. Look on the size of this, people. All this of them this big. And that one I look fat. Okay. When I can see the real size of this. And all this of them so big. Big like this one.
Throw away the city lights, throw away the cars. Give me a clear night underneath all the stars. I don't want no concrete jungles, no suburbia. I just want somewhere that the blue skies are. So come with me to a place afar, where the palm trees dance and sway. So run with me. If we leave right now, we might make it in time. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calming, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? I don't wanna leave this place, I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calming, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come?
So we are going great so far.
So if I lay down, will you come? So far. So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? So if I lay down, will you come? The sunset is fading, but the light
Now I just catch a while ago, you know.
Sunset is fading, but the light's not gone. The ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come?
Look out on this one. Just a bite, so. Behave yourself. Now, bongo with me a catch.
Place I don't wanna go. For some reason I felt like that I've always known. This is where we're meant to stay, where we should be. This place is where the sun shines forever free. The sunset is
Watch out, my people.
fading, but the
Now, bongo with me a catch same way.
ocean waves have just begun. The water is calling, the night is young. So if I lay down, will you come?
So, put them on a claw big. Claw long. Watch out, man. I hold it then there, you know. Pocket load up again. Yeah, man, so this is going to bring the bucket the pan are far away, you know. Yeah, man, this is bring the pan far away. Look at that jump out, so. Gone a whole heap so far. Me are going great. And me I get whole heap of bongo me. Because I meet them in the same time. Yeah, my people, so this is I catching them. I just reach home now and see how I go now. So this is how I'm looking at my people. Yeah, man, so how I go on. Yeah. So I cook them, but I definitely not today. But I show you guys when time I cook them, you know. So this side could catch a nice could catch. Lovely catch. You know. Did have something for deal with some of this stuff I just left from out there. But still satisfied with them catch. Yeah, man. Nice. All them are wine on my people. But just look I'm not gonna tell you no yet still. No, I'm gonna tell you no what you want. Yet. Show no what you want. But not in this video. I'll make a next video when time I deal with them show you know my people. So I just stay tuned for that video.
So that is it for this video, my people. So please like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Until then, catch you guys in the next one.